Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you.
A modern rooftop garden in an urban setting, showcasing a blend of lush greenery and contemporary design. The scene is hyperrealistic, capturing details of various plants in vibrant greens and purples, paired with stylish outdoor furniture. The focus includes a comfortable gray sofa with striped cushions, a minimalist wooden coffee table, and a green rug. Surrounding the terrace are manicured hedges and ornamental grasses, creating a serene oasis amidst the city. The sunlight bathes the entire space, highlighting the textures of both nature and furniture. In the background, modern buildings rise, offering a contrast of natural beauty against the metropolitan skyline. Clear blue skies add to the uplifting ambience, while the design reflects urban sophistication and tranquility. Open rooftop terrace in an urban setting, showcasing a cozy lounge area with a light gray sectional sofa adorned with patterned cushions. A large wooden dining table surrounded by sleek black chairs is set on a warm-toned tiled floor. Lush greenery in oversized planters adds a vibrant touch, with various plants cascading down from the edges. The background features a stunning skyline, dominated by tall skyscrapers under a clear blue sky. Sunlight casts soft shadows across the space, enhancing the inviting atmosphere. Opt for hyperrealistic aesthetics, emphasizing detail in textures and colors, capturing the serene blend of nature and city life. A serene courtyard garden scene showcasing a blend of lush greenery and colorful flowers, emphasizing a tranquil escape. The setting features beautifully arranged flower beds with vibrant reds, pinks, and whites, complemented by diverse foliage including tall, bushy plants and creeping vines. The ground is paved with geometric stone tiles in soft, earthy tones, creating a harmonious base. Centered in the space is a round wooden table with an intricate design, surrounded by warm-toned wooden chairs. A cozy beige sofa adorned with soft cushions invites relaxation. Sunlight gently filters through the foliage, casting dappled shadows across the area, enhancing the inviting atmosphere. Overall, the aesthetics lean towards hyperrealism, capturing every detail of the plants and furnishings, with bright and natural colors that evoke a sense of peace and beauty in an intimate garden retreat.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.